Hey, I'm sorry, but I gotta put my cuz on YouTube, dog. You snore too fucking loud. Too fucking loud. Here you go, hold up. What is that? Hold up, hold up.
Don't go against me. I'm not going to go against Playboy. For real.
You alive now?
I've been up. I seen you in the kitchen early on. And Joe standing over there.
Damn, son, you should have woke the damn sister.
Get out of here.
What I told you?